Today I'm going to try to turn a nice platter or bowl out of this spalted elm. I got this faceplate off of Packard Woodworking, and it allows you to either go in with a dovetail and expand into the dovetails, or you can take and clamp on the outside. And you don't have to take your chuck off of the lathe, which really makes it helpful. All right, we have it mounted on the lathe. You can kind of see how that chuck, I went on the inside of the dovetail. There's the live edge. I was tempted to leave, but I believe I'm going to try to maintain some of this spalt as much as I can of this spalted grain. All right, this is what I don't like about turning sometimes. You get a beautiful piece of wood. You can already see we've got a nice crack here. We've got some cracks here. I had this in a bag. Having the time to turn this stuff as soon as you get it is key. I have not had good luck leaving wood in a log form and being able to get end product out of it. So I'm gonna have to be careful. If you're out turning, be careful. This is a big chunk of wood. And so make sure you're wearing your face mask, and then you know, I'm gonna try to stay out of the line of fire of this thing. Hopefully this crack will go away. I'm gonna try to rough it out. Maybe we'll be able to seal it with some epoxy or something. Such a beautiful piece of wood though. I hope I can make it work out. Yeah, we got that pith there, so we're probably going to cut this out. We're going to turn this down to get rid of that pith because it's not going to be stable. This is a little unstable. Looks like we're getting rid of some cracks though. I've got some confidence we might be able to get us a nice little platter or bowl out of this piece. Earlier, if you watched the beginning of the video, I wanted to get a little live edge into this bowl. Don't think I'm going to do that, but you know, as I'm turning, you can see this this piece of kind of, it's, you know, part of the tree. And I think I'm going to try to incorporate that in, just leave a little bit. I think it'll look kind of cool. Let me know in the comments if you think I should have removed that or if you like leaving it there. This spalted elm is looking amazing. I really love this kind of figured wood. And it's not pungy, you know, it's not rotted or anything. So it seems to be putting on a pretty good edge, especially if I sharpen my tools, which I'll do here in a few minutes for our final passes. There it is. Hopefully the light will show it, but I left that nice little piece of live edge there part of the bowl. Rest of it's just got some great figure. Spalted down. Hopefully the camera's getting some of the color in it. I'll try to take some better pictures with some better lighting.